Before coming to AGR, I owned a systems integration company, and we were doing data acquisition and data gathering before the whole industry 4.0 was a coined phrase, being able to tie the factory floor to the business system and go the other way as well. So what we've done here, we've tried to use it in such a way. When I first started doing it here, I thought it was going to be something that we could offer to our customer that would just provide more data. It would be an IoT thing. They could understand their data. And what we found is things flipped a little bit. It comes down to now that, as we touched on, there are not a lot of people who have the engineers and technicians that they once did. The whole attrition and skills workforce gap has caused our customers to be are pushing back on us and asking us to provide more support. So this whole industry 4.0 thing has flipped. It's not just here, Mr. Customer, here's your data. Now it's an enabler for us to be able to monitor their machine, help them talk about their machine on a weekly or a daily basis, show them where their OEE might be lacking. Are there bottlenecks? Are there things that are causing cycle time constraints? And then be able to provide them with AR glasses so that we can do remote support and provide information while they're trying to do troubleshooting with the limited staff they have. And then once we have all this in place, then we offer a level of AI and ML that can take and look at the data now and provide anomaly detection and look at possibly prescriptive maintenance based on the information. Some of that learning is taking place now, but having all the things in place that can enable that is huge. That has been an ongoing wish here, and it's something that we've started offering to our customers, and we're finding that our customers are asking us for it more and more.